Hello, welcome back to our channel The Basics HQ, a place where future millionaires come to get inspired. In today's video, we will explore and show you how to make money online with $0 and your phone or your laptop. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. If you have a knack for organizing and planning, becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make extra cash online. A virtual assistant job involves doing various tasks like managing social media pages, replying to emails, and taking phone calls on behalf of a business. With the number of solopreneurs increasing, virtual assistants are seeing a sharp increase in demand for their services. You can get started by applying to jobs on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs. VAs make around $27.09 per hour on average, according to Indeed.com. Some virtual assistants have also found success by building their own personal brand and promoting it to entrepreneurs and startups. Number 2. Consult as a social media community manager. As anyone with a social presence knows, running a social media account doesn't end when you upload a picture or post. You need to engage with your audience to make an impact on social platforms. This is particularly true for brands to build an active and authentic voice and troubleshoot ASAP when issues arise. Working as a social media community manager is another way to earn extra money. How to start earning as a social media manager. Smaller brands are typically more likely to hire a freelance social media manager. Pitching your services with tailored social media suggestions can generate leads and new clients. Marketing your services on freelance websites is another way to find clients. Duties as a social media community manager include liking and replying to comments, answering customer service questions, escalating problems as necessary, responding to DMs, troubleshooting during crises. Number 3. Review websites and apps. Another way to make money online for free is to review websites for cash. Some companies offer people payments and free products to leave testimonials on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine the quality and performance of their website. When reviewing websites, you'll usually examine the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will be dependent on the marketplace you work with and the testing methods you use. In most instances, you'll earn more if you're willing to do one-on-one testing sessions with clients over video conferencing. Here are some companies you can join. User testing for app, website, and user experience testing. Try My UI for impression and survey-based testing. Testbirds for digital product, store, and mobile app testing. None of these companies require you to pay a sign-up fee, so you can start reviewing websites and making money without any investment. Number 4. Launch a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTuber? Nowadays, you can film unboxing videos, product tutorials, and funny skits with nothing but your smartphone. And it doesn't cost anything to set up your YouTube channel. By signing into YouTube using your Google account, you can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. As a YouTube channel owner, you'll have several opportunities to make money. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning by running ads on your channel. You can also partner with brands on sponsored content, sell merchandise, or become an affiliate to monetize your YouTube channel. The key to a successful YouTube channel is to focus on one niche. You could offer beauty tutorials, review tech products, do a daily roundup of cryptocurrency prices, whatever you think will bring more views. Number 5. Become an online travel agent. Do you know where to find the best flight deals and vacation packages? Consider working from home as a virtual travel agent. Travel agents get paid to help people plan vacations and personal travels. As the logistics, connecting flights, accommodations, sightseeing tours, etc., can be overwhelming, many individuals rely on travel agents to make their trips easier. You don't need any special certification to become an online travel agent. What you need are research and organization skills to plan a smooth trip for your clients in the budget they mention. For assistance, you can partner with different companies to get discounts to offer your clients. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online for beginners because it has little to no upfront costs. Creators can earn affiliate income by partnering with a brand or company and earning a commission on every sale they drive. There are thousands of affiliate programs online through retailers, Amazon, tech companies, and more. How to start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a long-term strategy that takes time to turn a profit. The best way to succeed is to find a niche that aligns with a personal interest or expertise. Then, research different affiliate programs to join, either directly with a brand or through an affiliate network. Most people pull in a few $100s a month with affiliate selling, but this varies by the creator, partner, and platform. If you join enough programs and are strategic, you can earn several thousand in passive income. Tips for affiliate marketers. Do your homework before joining an affiliate marketing program. Many programs pay creators with gift cards or store credit, which may not be your preferred payment method. Use free traffic sources like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to start marketing and grow your audience. Create great content to build trust with your target audience. Number 7. Get creative with freelance design. Another way to diversify your income stream and make money from home is through freelance design. For example, you can make money as a freelance graphic designer or illustrator. How to start freelance design online. The process is largely the same as any freelance business. Build a portfolio, gain testimonials, pitch your services to appropriate sources, and book gigs. Well-thought-out designs are always in need, so don't be afraid to get creative with your services. Sometimes, it's the more specific services that are the most valuable to clients. For example, if you only want to design infographics, don't be afraid to market yourself for this particular niche. Adding other digital products to sell, like design courses for aspiring designers, will diversify your income. Tips for freelance designers. Ask for referrals from your current customers. Referrals help you get new clients at little to no cost. Keep an eye on design trends and grow your skill set with the latest software and techniques. Focus on a niche and market your services. Number 8. Video editing services. Designers and writers aren't the only creatives who can earn extra money online. Many brands and individuals need videographers to help with storyboarding, filming, and editing. How to start your video editing business. You can make money online video editing without a lot of equipment or startup costs. You'll need strong skills with video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. To get started, consider creating a website and using social media to show off your best work. If you're in the video world, chances are you know the ins and outs of pitching your work. But we urge you to consider broadening your scope when looking for gigs. Brands and publications aren't the only places to find paid video work. You can also provide video services to influencers, marketing agencies, fellow creators, real estate, weddings, and events. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Please like and share it with friends and family. Subscribe for more great contents.